What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and yes, you read that title right. In Sacramento County, now this isn't California-wide, it's just Sacramento County, but it is essentially illegal to do any kind of work on your car, in your own garage or on your property, which to me, that's absolutely insane. Personally, I really don't see how this law is going to survive. If this was in any other state except for California, this would be struck down immediately, but because this is California, it is, I don't know, I'm just lost for words because, on your own property, doing your own work, which they do allow for some exceptions so that you can do some work on your car. Now, the code says that conducting minor automotive repair is legal at your residence, but it defines minor automotive repair as brake part replacement, minor tune-ups, change of oil and filter, repair of flat tires, lubrication, just very basic work to your car. But then you go to the second part of the code and it says that it's unlawful for any person to engage in or permit others to engage in minor vehicle repair or maintenance in any agricultural, residential, interim estate, and interim residential zones under any of the following circumstances. One, using tools that are not normally found in a residence, which is absolutely insane because how can you identify what's normally found in a residence? I just changed my sister's oil last week on her Toyota Camry, and I had to go to AutoZone to buy a special tool just to remove the filter. That is not commonly found at a residence, so that's crazy. To change your brakes for a Mustang and many other cars, to change the rear brakes, you have to go out and you have to rent a tool that you use to collapse the brake piston. Is that going to be included in that? So this law is it's written horribly, very vaguely, and this can be applied really to anyone they want. Anyone that the city of Sacramento or the county of Sacramento wants to mess with, they can get somebody for a ticket. You go to the second bullet point and it says conducted on vehicles registered to persons not currently residing on the lot or parcel. So that essentially means that you can't work on family members' cars, you can't work on your friends' cars. So, what is the point? You can't even change your mom's oil? That's ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. Then you go to the third part, and it says conducted outside a fully enclosed garage or resulting in any vehicle being inoperable for a period in excess of 24 hours. All of us know that things happen while we're working on our cars, whether a part breaks, you need to order a part from online, you need to go to the store, buy something. Stuff happens. And, come on, 24 hours? Me just changing my front lower control arms on my car, that took about a day and a half because I ran into a little bit of snag trying to get one of the bolts out because it kept hitting the steering shaft. But really, this doesn't surprise me. This is California we're talking about. I just don't understand. They have that law already where you can't change your mufflers. If you change your mufflers, it's like a $1,000 fine or something like that. So that's kind of ridiculous, or that's very ridiculous. And now they have this. So, I don't know. I'm lost for words. What do y'all think? Just give me y'all's opinions on this law. Y'all know my opinion. It's ridiculous. It's government overreach. This is America. You should be free to work on your own car in your own garage, inside or outside. But how the government of Sacramento County is justifying this is they're saying that they are wanting to shut down those operations where, somebody is just, working on other people's cars, basically like running an automotive repair shop out their garage, non-licensed or anything like that, which, come on, that's a little side hustle some people do, changing brakes, painting cars, changing oil. So it's really ridiculous, and this is just another example of government overreach. And another way that they're justifying is they're saying that the chemicals involved in major automotive repair can pollute our neighborhoods and endanger the health and well-being of our residents. Furthermore, this kind of activity increases the vehicle traffic and visual impact that can negatively impact property values. Come on now. This is... chemicals, that's iffy because, I've done a lot of work on my car, engine work and everything. I've not had to deal with any kind of crazy chemicals. What the craziest thing I've had to deal with is a little bit of grease and a grease gun. And that's another thing. Is a grease gun going to be included in the tools not typically found? Because when I was greasing up my bushings, I had to go out to AutoZone and I had to buy the grease and grease gun. So that's not commonly found at your house. So this law is just very vaguely written, and I could understand it to a degree if they were a little bit more specific about what is and what isn't allowed, because this is just a very vaguely written law. Somebody's already commented saying that he's been slapped with a $430 fine. You can request a hearing to review the code enforcement decision, but it costs $700 to complain. So this is ridiculous. Like I said, it shouldn't be a law. This is just another example of government overreach. And I would hope that maybe a higher court would strike this down, because me working on my cars and everything, I mean, pretty much everything I would do is illegal. Like, what is a wrench set? Is that commonly found at your house? So, guys, just let me know what y'all think of this. Y'all know my opinion.
But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.